Hi everyone, welcome to Ẹ̀kọ́ Èdè Yorùbá TV.
Oro Onisilebu Meta, which is number 3. We've talked about Oro Onisilebu kan, number 1, Oro Onisilebu Meji, number 2, Oro Onisilebu Meta, number 3. For example now, àpẹẹrẹ. I've told you that àpẹẹrẹ means examples. Oro Onisilebu Meta, what are the examples? Gúgúrú, gúgúrú. What do you mean by gúgúrú? Popcorn, popcorn. Gúgúrú. We want to divide it. Gúgúrú. Number 1, number 2, number 3. Gúgúrú, popcorn. If you could remember that this G, this letter G in English, we call it G. This one we call it U. You know, if I want to say Oro Onisilebu kan, I will just say Gu, which is G plus U. It now give us Gu. Now, I now make it 3. Ru. Ru. Now, this one, I want to write a name. For example, that has 3 syllables. You can count your hands. I told you the one that you can call twice. But this one now is the one you can call out from your mouth thrice. That is meta. Ru. I can say Ademi is a name. Ademi. We want to add it together. Ademi. Now, we want to divide it into syllable. Ademi. Look at how I call it. D E Mi I Ademi. 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 Gúgúrú. Now look at this one, clothes. Aṣọ wa. Aṣọ wa. Aṣọ mi. Aṣọ wa. Aṣọ mi. Àkúrẹ́ is a town. I can say aṣọ. This one is 2 syllables. Aṣọ mi. So if you want to divide it, it will be aṣọ mi. So anything that you can divide into 3. Anything you can divide into 3. For example now, Ìbàdàn is a town. It's a town. Ìbàdàn. I want to make this one clear. Like this one now is Faweli Aranmupe. Ìbàdàn. This one is Faweli Aranmupe. This one is a town in Nigeria here. Ìbàdàn. Ìbàdàn. If you remember, I told you out of the combination I gave you the other time, baby, baby, bo, bo, boo. Look at this one there. D plus dum, 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 dum. So these are the 3 syllables. Which one is this one? Is Oro. We call it Oro Onisilebu Meta. Oro Onisilebu Meta. Look at these words here. Oro. Can you see that it's 2 syllables? Oro. 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 Look at Yoruba here. You want to divide it into syllable. Yoruba. There are 3 syllables. Yoruba. Now I want you to let this one out. Meta is what? 2 syllables. Now look at this one. We are still going for this one. We call it Oro Onisilebu Pupo. Oro Onisilebu Pupo. So we can have 4, 5, 6 and so on. Oro Onisilebu Pupo. Now let us try it without even writing 4 or 5 now. O ni si le bu. Now look at it yo. O ni si le bu. To write Yoruba, you have to know the alphabets very well. You have to know the difference with the consonants and the vowel. O ní láti mọ ìyàtọ̀ láàrin consonanti àti Faweli. Onisilebu. You can count your hands, and the way you pronounce it, the pronunciation that you made, that is how you are going to write it down. For more example now. Oro Onisilebu Pupo now. Oro Onisilebu Pupo.